Hi, I'm attorney Jay Ruane, and today we answer the question, why wasn't he or she also arrested? Time was that whenever there was a domestic violence arrest, both persons were arrested and made to go to court. But with the rise of victim advocacy groups, Connecticut changed its law as of January 2019. Then, Connecticut passed a brand new domestic violence law. When the police receive dual complaints from both parties, the arresting officer is now able to determine which participant was the dominant aggressor for purposes of arrest. The police officer now has the discretion whether or not to arrest the other, less responsible party. Now, this new law went into effect in January 2019 and is changing arrest situations. You, even when a victim, could be further victimized again by a spouse who tells a more convincing narrative to the police, regardless of the truth of it. This is why it is likely that you were the only one arrested, and making a complaint or pressing charges after the fact is nearly impossible. There is no mechanism for you to be able to go down and press charges against someone if they were not arrested. You cannot force the police into arresting someone. This is why it is so critical to have a lawyer fighting on your side. A lawyer can advocate for you and show the prosecutor why you should not have been arrested in the first place, or at least argue for a favorable result since you were the only one arrested. Time is of the essence, so you should act fast if this is your situation. If you know someone who needs this information, please share it with them. If you have more questions, please contact us. We are here to help.